Building community is key for humanity's happiness and well-being. So when we have an event such as the Volcano Summit focused on innovation and building community, what we are doing is creating happiness and well-being.
Seeing the impossible and making it ultimately possible and having a vision for that. And I think that's exactly what Volcano Summit is showing us. It is not how you necessarily remember visual, but how people make you feel. And that's been absolutely the beacon in Guatemala.
The hardest thing in business is to scale. And it's not only money that's going to make that happen, it's partners, it's mentors, it's people to give you new ideas. And I see Volcano providing that scaffolding, that fire to make the spark, these new ideas that the whole world can benefit from.
For me, I think people have been sleeping on Central America. People overlook it. They don't think about entrepreneurship here. I think it's a massive GDP, especially when combined together. And there's really massive opportunities here for investors. Being here early is the best time to be here. So we're excited to invest. We're excited to see really great companies and sort of help build this ecosystem year over year.